Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay on your iPhone XR. To begin, open the Wallet application on your device. It looks like a black wallet icon. Tap the plus sign in the upper right corner to add your first card. Your iPhone walks you through scanning your card or manually entering its details, ensuring a smooth setup process. This step is the foundation for secure and convenient transactions. Once you have chosen to add a card, you will either scan it with your iPhone's camera or type in the card details manually. After entering the necessary information, your bank will need to verify the card's authenticity. This typically involves a quick confirmation, perhaps through a text message or a call, to ensure it is genuinely your card. You can repeat this process for all your preferred payment methods. When you are ready to make a purchase in a store that accepts contactless payments, simply double-click the side button on your iPhone XR. Your device will then prompt you to authenticate using Face ID or your passcode for security. Next, hold the top of your iPhone near the payment terminal, usually a few inches away, until a check mark appears on your screen. That confirms your secure payment has been completed. Apple Pay prioritizes your financial security by using advanced encryption and tokenization for every transaction. Your actual card numbers are never stored on your iPhone or on Apple's servers, protecting your privacy. Should you ever misplace your iPhone, you can quickly suspend or even remove your cards from Apple Pay using the Find My application from another device. It offers robust protection and peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.